Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to trade XRP on TradingView. First, ensure your crypto exchange is linked to your TradingView account. This integration allows you to execute trades directly from the platform. Next, locate XRP by typing its ticker symbol into the search bar. You will then see its live price chart and various analytical tools. Take a moment to explore the interface and understand where everything is located. Once you have XRP's chart open, it's time to analyze its price trends. Use popular technical indicators such as the Relative Strength Index, or RSI, and the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD, to spot potential entry and exit points. Drawing support and resistance lines on the chart can help you anticipate future price direction. Always check the trading volume. High volume often confirms significant price moves. When you are ready to trade, you have a few options for order types. A market order will execute immediately at the best available current price. If you prefer to buy or sell XRP at a specific price, a limit order is your best choice. Crucially, always implement stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. This helps protect your trading capital from unexpected market downturns. Effective risk management is paramount in trading. Always remember to only invest capital that you are prepared to lose, as cryptocurrency markets can be highly volatile. Diversifying your portfolio across various assets can help mitigate risk and protect against significant losses in any single investment. For more helpful tools and deals, including a great way to stay hydrated, check the description below this video. Continuous learning and staying informed about market news are also key to long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.